Hey all, it's Jolene here with the Home Stitchery Decor YouTube channel. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jolene. I am from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. I sell modern farmhouse home decor. A lot of the products I make myself, and then I also use print on demand with my own textile designs. And I teach all things business, including today's video where I'm going to talk to you about Pinterest and how you can market your own products for free starting today. Okay, so like any other small business owner, you need to figure out how to get your products out to the people. And one of the ways that I use to get my products out to the people is Pinterest, and it's essentially free. And what Pinterest is a search engine that allows people to search for products, services, ideas, and it doesn't have an expiry date on it. So it's not like Instagram, it's not like Facebook, it's not like Reels, where once it goes out there, if it doesn't hit, it's gone, right? So Pinterest is a search engine, much the same as Google is a search engine. If you type in white fluffy towel on Google, all the white fluffy towels are going to show up, not just the one that got posted in a video the day before. So I use Pinterest all the time, and I integrate it with Tailwind. And if you haven't heard of Tailwind, Tailwind is the Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook scheduling app that has over 50 AI tools for small business that helps you market your business for free. It's insane what Tailwind can do. I will put a link here in the video description. I am an affiliate for Tailwind. If you sign up with my affiliate link, you will receive 25 additional free Ghostwriter credits. You use 1 credit per Pinterest description. So Pinterest is not, one of those things that's just fly by the seat of their pants or fly by night. It's been around for forever. And most businesses know that they should be using Pinterest in some form to actually drive traffic to their products. Now, I do use Tailwind all the time to do it. And I have been, I was a little bit busy, to say the least, over the Christmas season. I sell in markets. I sell at huge Christmas markets. I sell in boutique stores. So I had to keep all of those stores full of product. And then I had to make enough product to go and do these insane Christmas markets. I'm a vendor at the Spruce Meadows International Christmas Market. It is in the top 4 Christmas markets in the entire world. So to say that I was a little bit busy would be madness. Okay, so I got a little bit behind on my Tailwind posting just because, or Tailwind / Pinterest posting, just because I had been so busy at Christmas. And then I got a bit of a flu, so I was kind of, waiting for things over Christmas to kind of settle down. And yesterday I got onto my account here and I realized, oh my goodness, I've totally let my Pinterest slide. My numbers are way down and I need to get on to fixing that. And then I thought, once I get this done, I'm going to make a video for you guys because it's crazy cool how this works. Okay, so when we open up my Pinterest account, you will see right now I've only got 10,400 monthly views. And I had not worked on my Pinterest account in months. Like aside from the odd cup of coffee in the morning where I shared, just a stagnant image over from my Etsy store where I've got print on demand items, I had not been working on Pinterest at all. So I was like, well, I really need to get these numbers coming back up because I think at one point I was almost at 50,000 monthly views. So, it will slowly go down. But for not working on it for months, to have 10.4 thousand monthly views on your pins that you put onto your Pinterest account, that's still pretty cool. So then last night I was like, okay, I really need to work on this. I need to get more pins. And one of the things that I can do with Tailwind is quickly pull up my calendar on Tailwind, and essentially you'll be able to see when you load onto your Tailwind dashboard how many pins you have for the day. And yesterday this was completely barren. So right now for Monday I have 6. That's what I did last night. Today is Tuesday. I managed to get 13 on there today. Wednesday is 9. Thursday is 9. Friday is 10. Saturday is 10. And then these will roll over to the future weeks as well. So I had basically no pins on there. But I want to tell you a secret. I did not design a single pin to do this last night. Not one. So what I did was I have Tailwind and I had designed all of these pins already in Tailwind. And it's really quite easy to do. I have a full tutorial, which I will link. I just made the video, so I will link that tutorial right here for you guys. It's up here on the YouTube channel for how to make the pins. But then I didn't make a single pin last night. So what I did was, you can see here that today is Tuesday, January 23rd. So I came up here to Tailwind, and on this right-hand corner here, you'll see the week that you're in, and I essentially hit the back button. So I hit it back to, I think I went back to like my September, is where I started seeing where I had some pretty good numbers on my boards. So now I'm in the week of September 3rd to 9th, which is right up here. And you will be able to see all of my pins that I had for that week. So what I did is so easy. It's so easy. I swear to you, it's so easy. So just select a pin that you want. So here is a picture of my floral bedding that I actually sell on Spoonflower. And I'm going to highlight the pin, and then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to hit reschedule. And it's going to pull it up just like I was designing a new pin. You can change anything that you want here. If you want to change the pin description, you try the Ghostwriter technology here. I'll show you how to do it. So I am posting about a featured product. I'm going to enrich my space, add keywords, floral print, bedding, designed by Home Stitchery Decor. And I'm going to add a call to action, which is shop now. Anything that was on this pin before, you can go ahead and edit the information. I just want to put a caveat in here as well for this portion of the video. You do not actually have to edit this pin description if you don't want to. As long as you're not posting the same pin with the same image over and over again with the same text to the same URL, you should be fine. If you were reposting this pin, every day on every single board, that might be an issue. So I only redo my descriptions once in a while when I'm pulling pins in from the past. So my best advice to you is to not repost the exact same pin and to edit some of them, just depending on how far back you're pulling them in from. It's always good to mix things up a bit. And in the training videos, I try to give you both options. And this is saving the details is going to overwrite the current pin description, which is fine. Just pick one of these three. They're going to give you three options. And transform your space into a serene oasis with enrich your space with our custom made modern floor house gray floral. But I don't know if I like that one. That was kind of confusing. So let's go with the second one. Transform your bedding with a touch of modern farmhouse flair from the comfort of your home. Our gray floral bedding is not just a product, it's experience. I'm not sure I like this one either. The third one says, say goodbye to boring and say hello to the vivacious gray florals from Home Stitchery Decor. Our custom-made modern farmhouse bedding is not just a set, it's a lifestyle. With its unique design, it's sure to be the talking piece of your room, ready to give your bed a makeover. Shop now. Okay, so I'm going to save the details, and then I'm just going to come back down here where I've got my saved board lists. In the other tutorial, I will teach you how to make your lists here as well. And I'm going to use my bedding, farmhouse bed and bath board list. I could just explain this really easy to you guys actually. When you're in Pinterest, you make a bunch of boards. You name the boards things like farmhouse bed and bath, farmhemian bedding, farmhouse bathroom, farmhemian bedroom, farmhemian decor, farmhouse bathroom style, farmhouse bedding, farmhouse bedroom, bathroom decor ideas, modern bathroom. So my decor typically goes for bed or bath. All the products coordinate. So I've made all these boards on Pinterest, and then in Tailwind, it's going to allow you to make a list of boards. The maximum boards that you want on that list is 10. And what you're going to do is select the boards that you already made on Pinterest, make them into a list, and then when you're in here, you can create your pin and just click on the list. Now, the reason you want the list is because your pin, when you reschedule it, is going to go out onto each one of these boards on a weekly schedule. So right now, if I'm going to schedule this post and I'm going to use a custom time and I'm going to select today's date, the 23rd, and I'm going to make it at 2:37 p.m., which is just a couple minutes from now. What will happen with all of the future pins are they're going to go out a week from today's date that I have just scheduled for. So it's going to go out on Tuesday, January 30th at 2:37, Tuesday, February 6th, Tuesday, February 13th, and on to each one of these individual boards. So now we can just hit schedule the post. Now, the important part of doing this is when I design my pins, I don't have dates on them. So I design what is known as evergreen products, so evergreen pins. So they don't have a sale ends on May 1st, a sale ends in September, a sale ends on December 15th. This is a Christmas sale. This offer ends on January 23rd. None of that whatsoever. So when I design my pins, I say what the product is. I'll pull a pin up here just so you guys can see this here. Let's pull this pin up. This one here says AccuQuilt Fabric Cutting, a guide for beginners, home stitchery decor. And I've got a hashtag that it's an ad, which is a requirement of Pinterest if you're advertising an affiliate product. I didn't have ad on the gray floral bedding because that's actually my own product and I am not an affiliate for that product. So in this scenario here, on this pin, you will see that I have add yourself to our newsletter for the latest deals. Okay, so that's my newsletter. I've got no information here that would say to you that this pin expires so that people wouldn't click it. So this is how I can pull my pins that I did back in September into January pins. And I did this last night for the whole entire week, right? So if I come up here now to my January 21st to 27th week, all of this was basically there. I think I had like 2 or 3 pins maybe for the entire week. So now, today's January 23rd. I've got 14 pins going out. Tomorrow is the Wednesday. I've got 9 pins going out. Thursday is 9. Friday is 10. Saturday is 10. Let's go to the following week. The Sunday, I've got 5 done now. Monday 7, Tuesday 12, Wednesday 9, Thursday 8, Friday 10, Saturday 9. So I'm averaging, let's just say 8 pins times 7 days. So I've got the different boards, 8 pins times 7 days. But what's going to happen is that's going to go out for the next 10 weeks. So 8 times 7 is 56, and then we're going to times it by 10, and that's 560 pins. 560 that I did last night just because I was smart enough not to put timestamps on my pins. So you can pull your pins back from content that you made a long time ago and pull it into your new boards. Now, I always want to have fresh pins because Pinterest does not like, you know, the same pin with the same text, with the same information, with the same link, with the same image, posted over and over again. You're going to get tagged for spam. So when I pull those into the future here, I'm pulling, you know, from 6, 7, 8 months past. I think I went as far as July last year to pull some pins in. And now today I will go ahead and make, you know, a whole bunch of new pins for new content as well. And then as I'm going forward, I'm creating this insane catalog of pins that I will be able to pull forward and then create some new pins and use my old content and have it never expire. So if you haven't started with Pinterest yet, what you need to do Pinterest pins effectively is Tailwind. So as I mentioned, Tailwind has a free plan. It's free for forever. You can do a lot of work with Tailwind and their free plan. I will put a QR code here for you to do it. Now, when you are writing pins for your own products, you just pull in your own URL into Tailwind for the product page, design your pins, and schedule them using Tailwind's Ghostwriter AI technology. You're going to be good to go. If you are doing affiliate posts, what you'll need to do is write blog posts on those affiliate products and then tag your pin back to that blog post where people can see where the products are. You'll always have to make sure that you put ad or affiliate on those posts where you're marketing somebody else's products to stay within Pinterest terms and conditions. Terms and conditions are subject to change. I am not responsible for that. Please read the terms and conditions for every platform that you work on because they change over time and I can't be held responsible. All right, so if you like content like this, please hit the subscribe button. I have a terrible cold. I don't know if you can tell. 2 weeks with the flu, and I can't say subscribe. So hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, and you'll get notified of the next video. And if you could leave some comments and questions so that I know what you guys need to help for future videos, it gives me some good video ideas, and I really appreciate you being here. So thanks for doing that. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.